Hello, this is Keroy King. Today's poem is called Accepting Love, and I'm reading from my book, Dancing with Words. Accepting love. I choose to accept love. When it feels overwhelming, overbearing, smothering, obsessive, extreme in its expression, I choose to explore the different aspects of love that may seem unfamiliar. Love will choose to show up in new ways. Embrace them, learn from them, clothe yourself in mastery of love's different aspects. Let them become second nature to you in your very being as a multi-dimensional spark of the universe. We shall see interesting dimensions of love, as above, so below, as in heaven, so it will be on earth. New varieties of energies as we hold more light. I choose to accept love in all its forms. This poem is called Accepting Love in All Its Aspects, and I'm reading from my book, Dancing with Words. Talk to you soon. Bye.